This guide will help you launch Vion VR for the first time and go through the initial equipment calibration. First, let's start the server using the shortcut on your desktop. When launching for the first time, you will see a login and password screen. In the login field, enter Dan. For the password, enter numbers from 1 to 8. Click on Remember and then Log in. We have launched the server, so there's no need to press anything else. Now, put on your Oculus headset. Go to the library. Select Unknown Sources. You should see our Vion application. Launch the application and wait until you enter the calibration room. Pay attention to the screen in the room. The presence of such a screen indicates a successful connection. If you see a black screen, please restart the equipment and start again. Next, press that Y button on the left controller. It's the top button next to the joystick. Once you press buy, the transparency mode will be enabled. On my screen, you see a gray square, but on your screen, you will see the silhouettes of your actual room within that square. To proceed with the calibration, hold both joysticks in your hands, approach the center of the longest wall in the room where you'll be testing Vion VR, and then crouch down and place both joysticks on the floor with the rings facing down. The trigger should be pointed towards the wall. The distance between the joysticks should be 50 to 75 centimeters or 20 to 30 inches. Hold down the triggers for 3 seconds and release them. Once you release the triggers, do not move or change the position of the controllers until the virtual wall aligns with the real wall. Let's try it now. Enable the transparency mode. Lower yourself to the floor. Place the joysticks with the rings facing down and the triggers towards the wall, approximately 50 to 70 centimeters or 20 to 30 inches apart. Hold down the triggers for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and release them. Keep your hands in the same position without moving. Calibration is successful. Press buy to exit transparency mode. Now, you need to launch the game on the server. Remove the headset and sit in front of the computer. As you can see, we have one player here, which is you. Firstly, you need to select a map. Click on the menu at the top and choose the map that appeals to you. For example, I will select Zombie Farm. Click Choose Map and then Back. To make testing easier, we recommend turning on Auto Respawn. Click On. Press Confirm. After that, click Start. Put on your headset and get ready to play. But before you start playing for the first time, please watch the following short instruction video that will explain the basic game mechanics.